Start.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the interactive flat panel display, which is known as IFPD, for using the online classes and the live classes. To instead of board, nowadays we are using this type of digital boards. What you are seeing is this is the IFPD panel of Promethean company, which is from UK, and this comes under three element series: nickel, cobalt, and titanium. What we are going to discuss. This is the cobalt series, and this IFPD panels comes under 65 inch, 75 inch, and 86 inch. This particular model is cobalt 65 inch, and this is the home screen of the panel. Now we have here universal menu. This is available in all the platforms. Like this panel is having two platforms. One is Android and another one is Windows platform. And this menu will come all the operating system. Either it may be Android, it may be Windows. This universal menu we can access from bottom side, left side, as well as right side for the better movement. Now we are going to discuss one by one. In this, first one is locker, in which all the APK files installed will be seen here, like whatever it may be, PDF, Chromium, Play Store, and files, Promethean Store, and share screen. All APK files can be installed in the Android platform. And the second one is owner. We can change the password, we can set the password for the panel for the good use. And home means what you are seeing, this one. And next, whiteboard. This is the very important, which by default comes with the Promethean Android. Here this is the pen, which is very stylish and just like normal pen, and it is a battery free pen. Here now we can directly write, and we can change the color of the pen. Even we can change the thickness of the pen. Hello. For writing we are using pen. Not only pen, we can even use our finger directly. Here one very good option is, here there is no need of changing between the pen and eraser. Our finger acts as a pen and our palm acts as an eraser, like this. And one more good important thing is, when we are writing something, the board will end up. This is a 65 inch, but we can't move like that. But after ending the page, this page is limitless. We can shift the writing and again we can continue. And whatever you have written, you can see the thumb view of the panel. And this comes with Android. In Android, this comes with 8 GB internal memory. 2 GB internal RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt. And we can use the virtual scale, virtual panel, virtual protractor, and we can increase, decrease a size. Even we can choose this as separate object, and we can increase or decrease, and insert that we can write. Hello. This is a 3/4 of the pipe, like this. Like this, lot of activities can be done in Android panel. Now we are going to capture. Now we are playing some video or images. We can take a capture. Now this portion only important we have to take. Then if we click, then it will ask for open with whiteboard. When we open, that board will become separately. This image, we can use this for further using. Now the next thing is annotation. For annotation, this universal menu, it will pop up one single panel. With this we can write, annotate any kind of material like PDF, PPT, live video, YouTube, Chrome, whatever it may be application. This is act like a just top layer mirror, so we can use for annotation purpose. And this is a source. This can be used for switching between the Android to Windows, Windows to laptop, some many things. Whatever we are connecting, this is having 3 HDMI inputs. In the sense, we can connect at a time 3 laptops to this panel. And this is having one more thing. This is having inbuilt speakers also, which is 20 watt each. That is enough for the classrooms. And the next one is I am showing to screen share. This is the by default applications given by Promethean. Now we are going to use this, how to utilize this. For this we can connect our laptop or our mobile phones as well as whatever. At a time we can connect 30 students or 30 laptops or 30 mobiles can be connected to this panel. Just we need to go sharemypromethean.com and we need to install Promethean application. It is available in Play Store as well. Now I am going to install Play Store application, which is like this, My Promethean application. When we open, it will ask for the I am a student, I am a teacher, I am an admin, whatever. I am just like I am now login as I am a student. Just it will ask for code. The code will be displayed on the panel. When we enter that code, we need to just put our name, Vishal. Start screen share. Then it will ask for permission. Whenever the students will connect, that name will be pop up. Either it may be 1 or 30. Then we need to give permission for them. When we give permission, that time we can start a mirror. Now our display can be, you can see in the mirror. Same like this way, 30 people can be connected at a time, but the display can be happen for only 4 people. I mean 4 people display can be seen at a time. Now I am going to exit. Same. And you have option to, if here not, from here only we can disconnect and sharing. Now the student will be disconnected from this panel. This is the one of the best application. Even we, from Play Store we can install any kind of APK files. For that you need to sign in. Now we are going to check. This is the regarding Android panel, and this is contains. This contains internal LAN ports and as well as Wi-Fi connectivities for this. And this comes with 32 GB internal storage and 4 GB RAM. Now already we have used something, so it's showing less. Now we are going to home. This is the regarding all the details about Android panel. Now we are going for the Windows platform. For that we need to switch from Android to OPS. For this, by default Windows 10 Pro will be given, and this can be preloaded with Active Inspire software, which is again from the Promethean itself. And the specification of OPS is one 120 GB SSD will be given, and with that Intel Core i5 7th generation with 8 GB RAM and 64-bit operating system. Now we are going to open Active Inspire software. This is the Active Inspire layout, which is comes with activated, and it is preloaded with around 25 to 30 thousands of images which is related to educations. And even we can put our own content in, we can load our own content in this software. In the same whiteboard setup, we can directly take a pen and we can start explaining. This can be endless pages we can add, just like page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, like n number of pages we can install. For viewing all the pages, we just need to go browser. Here we can change our layout settings also. Now some students having doubts in first page, so directly we can go and we can explain further, and we can come directly to the current pages like this, and we can do. And this software comes with screen record as well as sound record. Whatever you are explaining, that can be recorded, and whatever we are going to explain, that can be export as a PDF, BMP and JPG, which can be sent through WhatsApp and etc. for the soft copy for the students. And this is having sources. Now we are going to show some sources, just like some subjects. Now we are going to explain some science frictions. Just take a new page. Now we are going to car gear sticks like this. Just drag and drop. You can explain how the car wheel works. First gear, second gear, like that. Immersion. How the immersion will work. Thermistor. Like this kind of we can do. There are multiple images is available on preloaded on this software. And for writing, we can change the colors, we can highlight the things, and by default some shape will come. Now we are going to explain some tools like this. Pie charts, these things can be done, and we can connect these things through connectors. After that, we can write on top of it. This is the step 1 and this is the step 2. Like this we can communicate with the students and interactive things can be done. And for clearing the objects, we have one tab also, and we have redo undo options also. Even if you don't want this square type board, we need to utilize full screen, then we have that option also. In the settings, we can change our layouts however it want be, best fit, like that, like this. Full board can be used. Like this we can do multiple things, and we have rights to change all the layers of the Active Inspire. Next, this is the annotation tool, which can be used for annotate on PPT, PDF. Now I am going to use one PPT. Now I have this PPT to explain some examples. In PPT, there are two types of annotations. One by default of the PPT's annotation that can be used, and one more is Active Inspire. Just choose a pen and you can directly annotate. For the further explanation, then you can save the annotations and you can discard also. And I am going to play some video. This is a 4K resolution. And it supports multi-touch also. Thank you.